This is a 2011 BMW 528. It has a 3.0-liter six-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. Its top features and packages include the Premium Package, a power moonroof, adaptive brake lights, a low tire pressure indicator, alloy wheels, and much more. The following features are also included: air conditioning with automatic climate control, cruise control, a rear window defroster, interior wood trim accents, a security system, 12-volt power outlets, a stability control system, disc brakes with an anti-lock braking system, a keyless entry system, and this vehicle has fewer than 5,000 miles on the odometer. With an EPA estimated rating of 32 miles per gallon on the highway, this vehicle helps leave money in your pocket where you want it. This BMW has had only one owner, and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. This automobile won't last long at this price. Call and arrange a test drive now.